Alright, now that our setting screens is working, it's time to create a group now. Okay, so also one other thing, you can see that if we have selected the one member here, then if we come here and then come out of this screen and then go back here and then select another one, we know that this is when we are adding, but there is already one that we've already added before we come out of the screen. Okay, so if you come here, we are going to find that there is two. Okay, it's adding two, so we need to fix that. Okay, so to fix that, we need to clear this when we come out of when we are entering in the create group, we need to clear that list of group members. Okay, so let's do that. We need to go inside the game provider and then let's create a method here. Okay, let's say clear group members list. Okay, so this is what we are going to do, but let's add it in a future method. Okay, because we want to wait for this to happen. That's when we navigate. Okay, let's put asynchronous keyword. Then also let's also clear the admins group. Yeah, just like that. And then now we need to call this method clear group members when we are starting to create a group here. So here in the create, it's actually not here, it's in the home screen. So it's right here, we can clear that. So let's go context dot read. We are going to have a group provider dot clear. Let's correct this. Dot clear group members list. So this one dot when completed, let's also clear the admins list. Okay, clear the admin list. So let's close this. Yeah, so after this complete, so we can wait for this. Let's see if it won't give us that error. Okay, so this is going to give us an error. So what we can do is instead of waiting, let's let everything happen inside. So even this, when it completes, but when completed, we want to navigate now. Okay, great, so we can close that. So here we are clearing the group members and the admins members. We are restarting again when we are creating a group. So let's hot reload. Let's just wait for it. It's loading. Yeah, so immediately press here, everything is restarted. There's no group members, there's no admins. Now if the user decides to pick here and then come here, it's going to find this one, and then when they come out of here, then start again. If they pick, we won't find two of them. Okay, it's just one. Okay, even for the admins, but the admins, we know that it's still two, because when he selects an admin and then come back here, you can see that there's you and Dexter, and then when he comes back here we can remove this from the group, this one from the group. But when we call here, all right, okay, it reads that the group is empty, the group members, but when we pick one here, we know that there is one admin there, and then when we come here, we know that there is you and Dexter. But now if we unselect this one and then select, if we come back, you can see, okay, so it's getting cleared. Okay, then everything is okay. Now if we come back, yeah, I think we are cleared, because we are clearing the group from when we start. But now the problem is when the user removes this user from here, he may still be as an admin, even though here we are reading that there is no users, because we did not remove them from admin. Okay, if we allow him to bring this up, you'll see that we are going to see that it's ticked. Let's check in the settings, and then where is that, where we are clicking this button is here. Let's remove this, let's comment this, then let's do a quick hot reload. Now when we click here, you can see, okay, it's not showing. Okay, looks like it's sorted, because we should have that one admin as selected here. Okay, it looks like we are clearing everything. Okay, now if we pick this, we come here, we can see that the admin is not an admin. Okay, I think everything is sorted. So let's uncomment this. I wanted to handle the case where if we remove this user and then we come here, we shouldn't find him as an admin as well, because we have removed him even as a group member. Okay, so I don't know why it's not finding it, but in the logic I think this is the admin is there. Okay, what we are going to do is to print who are the admins. Okay, so here we are going to print let's do print group admins list, all right. Yeah, I think so. Or what are we going to do? Let's not do it here, let's just print it here where we are getting it. Okay, so because this is checking in the admins list, let's see, where is the admins list? This one here. Let's copy it, then let's paste it here. So here we need to go context dot read, then we are going to call our group provider. I just want us to handle that case. Okay, so now let's print this. Sorry, it was too fast. I wasn't even looking at the screen, I was just busy typing. Okay, now let's try to print this. So what are we going to get here? Let's get then something here. Group admins list dot length. Okay, that's hot reload. So length, we have one admin. Okay, you've seen, because we didn't put any admin, but we have one. All right, so what are we going to do here is let's go back, then let's come back here. You can see that we have one, but if we pick one and then come back here, it says one because it's counting this Dexter. Okay, we did not put him as an admin. Okay, you've seen that is ticked, but it's showing that he's there. All right, so we need to fix this. So to fix this is if we remove the user here as a group member, we also should remove him as an admin. Here is removed, but we've come back here, we can still find him there as one. Okay, because we know that we don't have group. The only group admin that we have for now is us, which is supposed to be 0, because for us we are adding it inside this method. That's when we are adding you. Currently when the screen starts, we have 0 admins. Okay, let me just show you that. If we go back, because we're resetting everything, now it's reset. Now if we come here, we should find 0. You've seen it's 0, but if we add 1, then we come here, we should find 1. Where is that? Let's come out and go back. Okay, we shouldn't find 1 because we haven't selected. If we came here, now let's put 1. So now there's 1. If we come back, we go inside there, we should find 1. Okay, now what we want is when we remove this person as a group member, we should also remove him from the admins, Right now I've removed him here, but if I go here, he's going to be there as an admin. Okay, so let's handle this. So to handle that, we need to handle it here when we are selecting a group member. Okay, that is happening in the friend widget, I think. Where is that? Friend widget. So here where we are here on the adding is not a problem. Now when we are removing here, okay, so we go to the remove group from, not from the admin, this is from the group member. Okay, let's go to this method. Now here let's also remove him from the group admin if he's there. So what we are going to do here is to check. Yeah, let's just add the comment and see if Copilot will write it. Okay, also remove this user from admin's list. Okay, if he is admin, Copilot understands everything. Okay, now here we are going to get group admins list dot remove this member. All right, that's the only thing that we need to do. If it's going to give us an error, we have to check if this list, admins list, contains this member and then remove it. So let's hot reload. Okay, now that we have hot reloaded, let's start share. Okay, it's loading. Let's go to the groups. Let's add them here. If we go, we know that there is 0. Now we have added this member. We come here, the group admins is 0. And then if we come here and then add this admin, we come back, come here. If we go there, the group admin is 1. Now if let's try to remove him from the group member, so that we should also remove him from the group admins. Okay, because if we come here and check, he's an admin. Okay, now let's remove him here. We have removed him here. If we go here, we should find that it's 0. Great, now we have handled that. Okay, now we don't have a problem with the group admins and also duplicating everything here. Everything here is fine. Also, let's just end this video right here. In the next one, that's when we are going to create a group. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.